TTI. Now we are going to introduce U-Bike.
You come to Taiwan. U-Bike is a great tool to help you to get in and out through the streets.
Yes, that's right. But how to use it? Now follow us. On the way to pay, there are 3 cards to pay. One is Easy Card and another is iPad. And the last is credit card that's associated with the Easy Card companies. If you don't have those cards above, and then you are not able to use U-Bike. You can buy Easy Card and iPads at convenience store. And also you can find out whether your credit card is associated with the Easy Card companies.
Okay, you must wondering how to rent a bicycle, right? So, at first, you need to take your card to the registration machine at the stop and register it. And then put your card on the panel. That with the green light. And with the green light flash and with the buzz. And you can take your card out. And put your bike full backward. And the card is yours.
U-Bike device is something special. Let me show you. There is an LED light on the front wheel, and it will turn light when the front wheel moves. Like this. Or it doesn't need any electricity to open it. So it is a very environmental friendly way.
If you like our video, please subscribe and